In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your YouTube profile picture. We'll go through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, your channel will no longer show your current profile image, and instead you'll just have the default placeholder icon that YouTube provides. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account whose profile picture you want to remove. If you manage multiple accounts, double check that the correct channel is selected before you continue. You should see your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the page if you're logged in. Next, move your mouse to that profile picture in the top right and click on it. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for your account. From here, you're going to access the tools that let you manage and customize your channel. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled YouTube Studio and click on it. YouTube Studio is where you control most aspects of your channel, including videos, analytics, and branding. It may take a moment to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, so just wait for the dashboard to appear. Once you're in YouTube Studio, focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical menu has items like dashboard, content, analytics, and so on. Scroll down if needed and click on the one that says customization. This is where you can adjust how your channel looks to viewers. After clicking customization, you'll see several tabs across the top, such as layout, branding, and basic info. Make sure you're on the tab that shows your profile picture, usually under branding. In the picture section, you'll see your current profile image. Right below or near that image, there will be an option that says remove. Click on remove to delete your current profile picture. You might not get a big confirmation pop-up, but you should see the image switch to a default placeholder. You're not done yet though. For the change to actually appear on your channel, you need to save it. Look to the top right corner of the customization page and click on the Publish button. This step is important. If you close the page without publishing, your old profile picture will still be active. After clicking Publish, give YouTube a little time to update. Then visit your channel page to confirm that your profile picture has been removed. And that's it, you've successfully removed your YouTube profile picture.